Welcome to the Investors Trading Academy Economic Calendar of the Week. Each week our news analysts review the upcoming economic events that you should be monitoring. The new year got off wrong-footed with global stocks getting beat up and Chinese data released on the 1st of January printing a bit soft. Activity in China's manufacturing sector contracted for a fifth straight month in December, an official survey showed on Friday, reinforcing fears the world's second largest economy may be stuck in a protracted slowdown despite a flurry of stimulus measures. While China's services sector ended 2015 on a strong note, the economy still looks set to grow at its slowest pace in a quarter of a century, suggesting the government will have to step up support in 2016 to revive activity. December was a month which saw severe pressure being piled on the commodity sector, and the outlook for early 2016 is equally gloomy. Economic indicators from China will be carefully watched in the week ahead, as the slowdown in the second largest economy in the world is likely to remain in the news. It was the European Central Bank that surprised the market this month and not the Federal Reserve, and dealers will be wondering if Mario Draghi's relatively small extension to the quantitative easing scheme will be enough to turn the region around. Janet Yellen won't want to rush another rate hike, and the jobs report on Friday will be the highlight of next week. A private gauge of Chinese manufacturing Caixin Market PMI, which focuses more on small to medium-sized private firms, will be released on January the 4th. China is set to release fourth quarter and full year GDP data on January the 19th. The week is chugged full of events which should keep traders busy as they return from the long holidays. Monday will see the monthly array of PMI data from the Eurozone countries and the overall Eurozone, as well as the UK and the US. Also, German inflation data will hit the wires. Tuesday, traders will get a look at German jobs data as well as the overall Eurozone inflation data, which could spark some volatility in the euro crosses. Wednesday, Asia is hot with Japanese and Chinese services PMI data as well as European countries. Also on Wednesday, the US is busy as ADP releases payroll data ahead of Friday's non-farm jobs report. Also, US trade balance numbers are due. And of course, traders around the globe will keep a close eye on the weekly EIA crude oil inventory. Later in the day, traders will focus on FOMC minutes from the December meeting when the committee raised rates. Thursday brings German factory orders, which are expected to show a rise, as well as Eurozone retail sales and unemployment. Friday morning, Australia releases its first official data with retail sales expected to climb 0.4%, and then focus will shift to the monthly jobs data from the US. Jobs are expected to fall to 200,000 from 211,000. Unemployment is expected to remain at 5%. This week, even Saturday will be a big day with China releasing December inflation data.